Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of एग्जामपुर। मैं संजय सिंह तोमर आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं आज के सेशन में। तो गाइज जैसा कि आप लोग एज यू नो गाइज वी आर रनिंग अ मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड सीरीज एंड टुडे इज द सिक्स्थ पार्ट ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड सीरीज। तो please do join, and once you join do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. Very good afternoon Gopinath. Very good afternoon Gopinath. Please all of you do join fast, and once you join do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. So we are going to start the things soon. Here is the first question of the day. Exams are near, so we need to be fast and quick as well. Most expected paper 6. Hello Shrivani, very good afternoon. I hope all of you are absolutely great. Mandhana Rajendran, very good afternoon. These are positive signs. These are positive. This is positive, this is negative. Come on, try it. What is the answer you're getting from your side? Okay, Harika, well done, well effort. Guys, I think a square plus b square is equal to c square. Can you think of some values which can satisfy this equation? Because one equation, three variable. One equation, three variable, we can assume two values. So I'm assuming b and c equal to a. I'm assuming a and b equal to each other. Or I can assume them, this is as root 2, this as root 2. So basically it will become 2 ka square 2, 2 and this is 2. Perfect. Can you assume these values? Good afternoon, Harika. Prajwal, very good afternoon. Root 2, 2. They will satisfy your equation. They will satisfy your equation, guys. A basic observation. A basic observation. So, root 2 की power 6 is 2 का cube. Root 2 की power 6 is 2 का cube. And 2 की power 6 is obviously 2 की power 6. Divide by 3 times of root 2 का square 2, root 2 का square 2 and 2 का square 4. Answer. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 2 की power 6, guys. What is 2 की power 6? 2 की power 6 is 2 की power 30, 2 की power 5, 32, so 2 की power 6, 64. Divide by, this is 6 into 8. Is your answer? Let's watch out. What is your answer? 2 times of, this is minus 48 and this is plus 48. Anyone has given it correctly? Anyone has given it correctly? Well done, Harish. Very well done. Very, very well done. Very, very well done. Minus 2 is the ultimate answer. Harika has also, I think, given it correctly. Well done, Harisha, Harika and Harish. Let's move on. Try the second question. Try the second question of the day. Pretty fast. Very fast. ABCD is the rectangle. Triangle PDC. Triangle PDC is drawn where P lies on the side AB. Obviously, the area of the triangle is half of the rectangle. The area of the triangle is the half of the rectangle. We have done it multiple times. Area of this triangle is half of the rectangle. So half of the rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? It's a square basically, so no issues. All sides are 24, 24. Or you can say area or square, whatever it is. So 24 ka square. 24 is 576. 288. 288. If it is a rectangle, we will take length into breadth. If it is a rectangle, we will take length into breadth. Since it is a square, so it is 24 into 24. It is 24 into 24, or we can say 24 ka square. Let's move on to the third question of the day. Please do it by care. Do it by care. Do it by care, guys. Answer should be correct at any cost. Now, last 22 days, guys, we cannot afford to do errors at any cost. We can't afford to do errors at any cost. Mean proportion. How we calculate the mean proportion? Under root of AB. Under root of AB. And Y is the third proportional. And Y is the third proportional. How we calculate the third proportional, guys? Third proportional is C. C is B square by A. C is B square by A. It is acting as your A. It is acting as your B. So B square by A. 57.6 into 57.6 divide by A. 38.4. Over. You will get the values of X and Y very soon. You will get the values of X and Y very soon. Is 128 is a perfect square? No. So make it 256. Make it 256. So it 256 into, you have taken 1, 2 here. So it will only remain 3, 2, 4. Both of them are perfect square. I think you have observed this point. You might have observed this point that both of them are now perfect squares. Now, simplify this as well. 19.2 simplifying 2 times. 19.3, 19.2 simplifying 3 times. Over and out. Over and out. Over. So, it's 3 into 57.6 divided by 2. It is a square of 16. It is a square of 18. So, you will say, sir, 16. Take 1 decimal here, 1 decimal over here. 16 into 18. 16 into 18, 100 is 10. 3 into 576 divide by 20. Now simplify. Gone, gone. 18 3 ja 54. 18 3 ja 54. 36. 18 2 ja 36. 32, 32. 1 by 3. So x upon y is 1 by 3. X upon y is 1 by 3. They are asking 2x upon y. So that would be 2 by 3. Very, very important question. Quite a good problem. Quite a good problem, guys. Quite a good problem. Quite a good problem. Next. Make it. Mandhana, Prajwal, Harika, Gopinath, Harika, Harish, and all very, very good, very, very decent. Now I'm expecting the answer of this as well. However, I know some of you will find it tricky, but again, I will say that is from your exams only. It is also not from the outside of the exams. Yeah, it is also from your exams only. You can do this. You have to do this, guys. Okay. A की power 4 plus 1 upon a की power 4 is 50. Reduce the power. A square plus 1 upon a square is add to take square root. Add to take square root. Again reduce the power once again. Again reduce the power once again. A plus 1 upon a. Add to take square root. Add to take square root. So it's a double square root, my dear. It's a double square root, my dear. Okay. This is 13 into 4. 13 into 4. And 13 into 4 is 52. And 4 will come outside as 2 root 13 plus 2. 2 root 13 plus 2. So a plus 1 upon a is 2 root 13 plus 2. If a plus 1 upon a is x, then a cube plus 1 upon a cube is x cube minus 3x. X cube minus 3x. In x cube minus 3x, x is common. So this term should be there. This term at least should be there. 2 root 13 plus 12. Here it is not. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. We need to solve further. अभी और करना पड़ेगा. We need to solve further. Do the cubing. A cube plus 1 upon a cube is 2 root 13 plus 2 root का cube minus 3 times of 2 root 13 plus 2. Its cube is 1 will come without cube and 1 will remain with cube. I think you might have read this before. One will come without cube, another will remain with cube. Minus 3 times of the same thing. Now I'm taking 2 root 13 plus 2 common. So this value will come in the minus. 2 root 13 plus 2 minus 3. Minus 3. So 2 root 13 plus 2 is under root of it is in the, okay, this is without under root basically. Minus 1 plus 2 root 13. Minus 1 plus 2 root 13. Answer. थोड़ा सा tricky था. It was a bit tricky. Huh? It was a bit tricky. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Come on, do tell me, is it clear to all? A cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3a. Is it clear to all? A cube minus 3a. This is your a cube and this is your 3a. A cube minus 3a. a cube minus 3a. Now you have taken this as common. So this minus this is minus 1 plus 2 root 13 and under root of 2 to root 13 plus 2. Perfect. Chalo, great. Great if it is clear. Let's move on. Weljan, Gopi and Mandhana. Please do read the question very carefully. Do read the question very carefully. Again, a very important problem from our exams. Very, very important problem, guys, from your exams. When 2 is subtracted from each of the given numbers, the sum obtained is 102. When 2 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the obtained sum is 102. So the actual sum is 102 plus, you are subtracting 2 from every number, so I'm adding 2 to every number. This is my original sum. This is my original sum. 102 the remaining portion and adding the 2 to each number. Adding the 2 to each number. This is my original sum. When 5 is subtracted from each number, the remaining sum is 12. So the original sum would be 12 plus 5n. Should they be equal? Should they would be equal? Come on, tell me. Yes, we are talking about the same numbers. We are talking about the same numbers. Take this here, take this here. 90 is equal to 3n. Numbers are 30. Numbers are 30. Numbers are 30. Now we can find out the sum either from here or from here. We can find out the sum either from here or from here. I'm finding out from the second equation, 12 plus 5n. So it is 162. 12 plus 5n, 162. This is the sum. To find out the average, I have to divide by number 30. 3 5 ja 15. 12, 3 4 ja 12. Divide by 10, 5.4. What a great question. What a great question. If you have any doubts, guys, you can ask me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. When 2 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the sum remaining was 102. So add 2 to each of the number. Add 2 to each of the number. So I'm adding 2 to each of the numbers. So I will get my original sum as 102 plus 2n. Similarly, when 5 is subtracted from each of the number, I will obtain the sum of 12. So if I add 5 to each of the number, after remaining was 12, the remaining was 12. So after 12, if I add 5 to each of the numbers, again I will get my original sum. Again I will get my original sum. It's over. It's over. 5 star. Today most of the questions are coming 5 star only. Today most of the questions coming are 5 star only. Let's move on. No, it's from the original condition. Okay, please do it. Please do it. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Its diagonal intersect at P. Its diagonal intersect at P. AP 3x minus 1. PC is the 5x minus 3. BP is 2x plus 1. And PD is 6x minus 5. Guys, these two triangles are similar triangles. These two triangles are similar triangles. I'm not telling you what, I'm not giving you the complete equation writing. I'm just giving you what you should remember. In this scenario, you should always remember that product of these sides AP into PD should be equal to product of those sides, that is PB into PC. From where it comes from similarity. From where it comes from similarity. This relation comes from similarity. AP into PD is equal to PC into PC. Now apply it. What is AP? 3x minus 1. What is PD? 6x minus 5. What is PB? 2x plus 1. What is PC? 5x minus 3. You have to open it. 100% you have to open it. 18x square minus 6x minus 15x plus 5 is equal to 10x square plus 5x minus 6x minus 3. Okay. So 18x square minus 21x plus 5 is equal to 10x square minus x minus 3. Take it over here. 8x square. Take it over here. It will become plus x minus 20x. Take it over here. It will become plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 0. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Product 64 sum 20. Minus plus, both roots are positive. In case of minus and plus, both roots are positive. Do the product. 8 8 just 64. Sum is 20. Think of two values who can give product 64 and sum 20. You will say, sir, 16 and 4. 16 plus 4, 20. And 16 into 4, 84. Divide by the coefficient of x. Divide by the coefficient of x. 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2. So first we will go for the integral value. Length of dB. Length of dB is this. 6x minus 5 plus 2x plus 1, that is 8x minus 4. X is 8 into 2 minus 4, 12. 5 star again. Again 5 star. Again 5 star, guys. So in case of minus and plus, both roots are positive. Divide 64 such that their sum is 20 and product is 64, 16 and 4. Divide by the coefficient of x, 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Oh, how many 5 stars will come? How many 5 stars will come? Okay. All good questions on the same day. All good questions, all great questions on the same day. You can't do it from value putting. Two equations, two variables. Two equations, two variable, even the values you can also not assume. If you try it for 1 by 2, 1 by 2, I think it don't satisfy. It won't satisfy. And you can't assume any value. And you can't assume any value. Okay. So just do it systematically. No other option. No other option, because neither you can assume the values, or neither, guys, there are like 1 by 2, 1 by 4 or any values can satisfy this. So no choice, guys, rather than doing it. Do the squaring of first equation. Square it again. Square it again. No other option was there, guys, other than doing it. Take it to that side. Take 2x square y square to the opposite side. So 4 minus 2 is 2x square y square minus 4xy. Take 2xy common. Take 2xy common. So xy will remain here and 2 will remain here. So now you might have got why this value was given. Now you might have got why this value was given. It's 12. One of the greatest question of the day. One of the greatest question of the day. Watch out. Watch out. You can't do anything else. You can't do anything else, guys. You have to do this. You have to do this. Squaring, squaring, then after one more squaring. After one squaring, there is one more squaring. And finally, guys, you have to make use of this equation. You have to make use of this equation and find out your answer. Is it clear? Is it damn clear? Next. Chalo. So lot of high questions for you. Now let's do one or two relaxing questions. Now let's do one or two relaxing questions. Income of A and B is in the ratio 2:1. Their expenditure or their saving expenditure. Spend means expenditure. Spending means expenditure. Their expenditure is in the ratio 5:3 and their savings is in the ratio 4:1. However, their total savings are also given. However, their total savings are also given 5,000. Divide it in the ratio 4:1. It will become 4,000 and 1,000. Divided in the ratio 4:1, it will become 4,000 and 1,000. So exact values of savings are known, 4,000 and 1,000. Crisscross. 6 minus 5 ratio of 1. 6 minus 5 ratio of 1 is equal to 12,000 minus 5,000. 12,000 minus 5,000, 7,000. 1 is equal to 7,000. 1 is equal to 7,000. Monthly income of B is 1 only. So 1 is equal to 7,000 is the answer. Their savings are 4,000 and 1,000. Apply the crisscross. 6 minus 5, 1 is equal to 12,000 minus 5,000, 7,000. 1 is equal to 7,000. So the income of B is 1. Income of B is 1. So that is our answer. No issues, Prajwal. Just do take care from the next questions. In the first, acid and water is in the ratio 2:3. In the second, 3:4. In the third, 4:5. What is the volume? The volume of first is 5. The volume of second is 7. The volume of third is 9. According to the ratio. According to the ratio, the volume are 5, 7 and 9. According to the ratio, the volume are 5, 7 and 9. According to the ratio, the volume are 5, 7 and 9. But I want the equal volumes. I want the equal volumes. How can I make them equal? Multiply by 7 cross 9 over here. Multiply by 5 cross 9 over here. And multiply by 5 cross 7 over here. To make them equal. To make them equal, guys. So that each volume will become 579, 579, 579. Multiply in the ratios. 9 7 just 63. 5 9 ja 45. 7 5 ja 35. 63 2 ja 126. 63 3 ja 189. 45 3 ja 135. 45 4 ja 180. 35 4 ja 140. And 35 5 ja 175. 6 plus 5 11. 411. 4 1. Okay, just a minute. 401. 9 plus 5 14. 9 plus 5 14 1. Yeah, 544. B. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Everyone got it, guys. Everyone got it. No issues whatsoever. Perfect. So these are also some important questions, guys, which comes too much in the exams quite frequently, which comes too much in the exam pretty frequently. Next. Oh, one more 5-star. One more 5-star. Come on, guys, make it pretty fast. And take care of the situation, take care of the language as well. Take care of the situation and take care of the language as well. And try to make it correctly. Try to make it correctly. Three type of rice. Quantity 703, 851, 333. Quantity. The rice is packed such that no two type of rice are mixed. So each and every one is packed individually. Each and every one is packed individually. If the size of the packet is the largest. Now, if you want to keep the size of the packet as the largest, that size should be the HCF of highest common factor of 703, 851 and 333. Take the difference between the nearest two numbers. Take the difference between the nearest two numbers. What is the difference between the nearest two numbers? 1 minus 3, 8, 11 minus 3, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, 148. Either 148 is the difference, HCF, or its factor. Now, 148 cannot divide the odd numbers, so I will go for its factor. Its first factor is divide by 2, 74. Again, a odd number. I will go for its another factor, 37. 37 is a 37 is the odd number. 37 is a odd number. So 37 is definitely going to be the highest common factor of it. You can try. You can try, guys. 37 is definitely going to be the highest common factor of it. You can try. But the point is, this is not the answer. Because this is the size. This is the size of the packet. They are not asking the largest possible size of the packet. If they would be asking me, what is the largest possible size of the packet? Largest possible size of the packet, I would have given 37 as the answer. I would have given 37 as the answer. They are asking the number of packets. They are asking the number of packets. So, number of packets would be 703 by 37 of first type, 851 by 37 of second type, and 333 by 37 of the third type. I think this is 9 and this is 37, 2 just 74. After 74, 111, so 3 times, 1 time, 9 time, 43, 42 plus 9, 51 packets. Greatest questions. Great question, guys. Great question. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. So, I think now I will meet you in one more session in the evening in Circles Part 2. I will meet you in the next sessions in the Circles Part 2. Today there was some of the greatest quality questions taken in a single session. I want all of you to make the notes of it. I want all of you to make the notes of it. Write down most of the questions in your notebooks with your pen and paper. This is screenshot only will not work. Okay. There are infinite many screenshot in our copies, which in our phones, which we never see. Make a small notebook, last 25, 21 days notebook. Make a small notebook, last 21 days notebook. None of the question will remain, guys, in the last 21 days. Okay, and write down whatever are the important questions from today, 4 to 5 questions. Because from tomorrow onwards, we are planning large sessions. Huge quantity of questions, guys, we are planning. Okay, so you might also get some of the questions worth noting it down from tomorrow onwards. It is going to be a revolution what we are going to create in the next 21 days. You will feel it. You will feel it, guys. We are going to get revolutionary sessions. Quite a lot of content is going to be delivered to you. Or I can say that the entire content of SSC is going to be delivered to you. I can very proudly say, guys, we are going to have a meetup today. The entire content of SSC is going to be delivered to you in the next 21 days, guys. In the next 21 days. Across all the 4 subjects. Across all the 4 subjects. So if you have not done anything from watching the sessions from today onwards, you can excel in the exam. If you are in a very bad situation, if you have not studied too much as of now, from today onwards, guys, watching the sessions, you can excel in the exams. So take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon in the evening session. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care of yourself. Okay. This is, we are going to take it in the evening session. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.